Have you ever wondered how much your own beliefs about yourself affect your success? It's a question worth pondering. Self-belief, or the confidence in one's own abilities and potential, plays a pivotal role in shaping our lives. It's a powerful force that propels us forward, influencing our decisions and actions. Consider this: every decision you make, every step you take, it's all rooted in what you believe about yourself. Do you see yourself as capable, as deserving? These beliefs form the bedrock of your actions and ultimately your outcomes. On a deeper level, self-belief also has a profound psychological impact. It's not just about thinking you can do something. It's about deeply ingraining that belief so it becomes a part of your identity. This internalized conviction then manifests in your behavior, steering you towards your goals and aspirations. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you set for yourself. Let's delve into some real-life stories that showcase the power of self-belief and determination. Imagine you're a young athlete with dreams larger than life, but you're constantly told you're too small, too weak. This was the reality for Lionel Messi, globally renowned footballer. Despite being diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency as a child, Messi's self-belief never wavered. His determination led him to become one of the greatest footballers of all time, proving that physical limitations are no match for a strong belief in oneself. Now let's shift gears to the business world. Consider the story of Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX. Musk is known for his extraordinary vision and unwavering belief in his ideas, even when they seem impossible to others. When he first proposed the idea of reusable rockets, he was met with skepticism and ridicule. But Musk's self-belief was unshaken. He continued to push boundaries, and today SpaceX's reusable rockets are revolutionizing space travel. Now let's bring it closer to home. Picture a single parent working multiple jobs just to make ends meet. They're constantly faced with the harsh realities of life, but they never lose faith in their ability to provide for their family. Their self-belief fuels their determination to keep going, no matter the odds, and often they succeed in creating a better life for themselves and their children. These stories from different walks of life carry a common thread: the power of self-belief. Whether it's in the world of sports, the realm of business, or the trials of everyday life, self-belief is a powerful tool. It's an inner force that propels us forward, encourages us to take risks, and helps us overcome obstacles. It's the driving factor behind success, resilience, and personal growth. These stories are a testament to the power of self-belief and determination. Now that we understand the power of self-belief, how can we harness it for our own success? Well, let's delve into some strategies to foster this potent force within us. Firstly, consider the language you use with yourself. Positive self-talk is more than just feel-good phrases. It's about recognizing your worth and potential, even in the face of adversity. Think of it as your personal cheerleader, encouraging you when the going gets tough. Next, set realistic goals. They provide a roadmap for your journey. They should challenge you, but also be achievable with effort and determination. Remember, every accomplishment, no matter how small, fuels your self-belief. Finally, don't shy away from challenges. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones, opportunities to grow and prove to yourself that you are capable. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them strengthen your self-belief. Harnessing the power of self-belief is a journey, not a destination. So embark on it with enthusiasm and determination, and watch as you unlock your true potential. In summary, self-belief and determination are powerful tools for success. We've explored how these inner strengths can shape our lives, influence our choices, and propel us towards our goals. The power of self-belief is not just a concept, it's a tangible force that can guide us through life's challenges. It's an internal compass, directing us towards our true potential. Moreover, determination is equally imperative. It's the fuel that keeps the engine of ambition running, even when the road ahead seems steep and difficult. It's the steadfast resolve that refuses to accept defeat, pushing us to strive harder, reach further, and achieve more. Harnessing these powers is not about becoming invincible or immune to failure. It's about embracing the courage to try, the resilience to persist, and the wisdom to learn from our mistakes. It's about realizing that we are the architects of our own destiny. Believe in yourself, stay determined, and watch as you turn your dreams into reality.